guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are continuing the series of Creo Parametric for beginners, and we are in the part design environment. So already I have uploaded few videos on how to do 3D modeling inside Creo Parametric. Before that, I have uploaded sketching tutorials. So uh, if you're starting new in Creo, make sure you start from the sketching part so that it will be easy for you to uh, understand how Creo parametric works. So coming on to this video, I'm gonna just design this simple 3D model, and we are going to use the basic um, modeling tools like extrude, holes, and some rib options. So without further ado, let's start with the tutorial. I'm gonna start with new part, solid. I can name this part 7 because it's you can name it whatever you want. Press OK. I can then select my template, which is and you can give the description model by over here and press OK. Now that we have entered the environment, we can start with the base. So if you look at the 3D model, it's pretty simple. We can start with the base, and then we can create this simple U shape with T over here, and then extrude it, and then we have one rib over here, and few holes. So let's start with the base for now. I'm gonna select the top plane, go for extrude. Let's take the center rectangle and create a rectangle like this. Now this dimension is coming from here, so it is 80, and this dimension is coming from here, so it is 50. Press OK. Make sure you change it to standard orientation, and the depth is given over here as 9. So let's go for it. Press OK. Zoom to fit. Once you are done, your base is almost ready. We can then start this U profile. So for that, we can select the front plane, go for extrude, and then I'm gonna take circle from center. I'm gonna draw two circle like this, convert it to radius, and we have 24 and 16, so 16 and 24. Once we are done with the circle, we can then take one line from here to this one, and then select the line, mirror it with respect to the center line. Lastly, we can just join these two endpoints of the line, and right now our sketch is not fully defined, so need to delete some parts. You can see this merging is going on, so I'm just gonna delete this segment and this segment. Sketch is almost fully defined now. Now going to give the dimension. This is given as 10 from here. This height, now we don't need the full circle, so I'm gonna cut through it. So let's draw a line, making it into dividing it into two half, and then delete the segment that is not required. This is also not required. This is also. So this completes the model. One more dimension is remaining, which is 42, and it is given from here to here, 42. Now we are done with the dimensioning. You can press OK. It is going throughout the width, which is 50. So make sure it is symmetric. Change it to standard orientation so you can see it clearly. Make it 50. OK. Done. We have a rib on the front plane, so let's go for rib. Now if you go in rib, we have two options, trajectory and profile rib. For now, if you see the icon, that profile rib makes more sense because trajectory rib is a different kind of rib which goes parallel to the sketch, but this goes perpendicular to the sketch. Let's go for profile rib for now. Select the front plane. I'm gonna need some references, so let's go for reference 1, 2, 3, 4. Close it. Take the line. See, it starts from this endpoint, ends here. Press OK. Now the width is given as 9, so I'm gonna give it as 9. You will see that nothing is showing up. Just flip the direction and our rib is done. Press OK to complete. You can do the same process on the other side, but let's just utilize the mirror function using right plane. OK. This completes our model. Only few things remaining are holes and fillet. Let's do the fillet first. Radius is given as 8, and then this one. Press the control and then select all the edges so that you don't have to assign separate radius for all the fillet. Press OK. Standard orientation. Now what we can do is to create the holes, we just have the reference as the center point of the fillet. So in that case, I'm gonna select this face, go for point, or you can go for sketch only. Later you can take a reference of these four curves so you get the center point, and then I'm gonna take point, just put 4 points on these centers. One thing that you have to make sure is the points that you have created, it should be solid. So make it solid, and this also. Press OK. Once we have our points in place, I can then just go for hole. My diameter is 6. I've already defined. Go for type as sketched and select the sketch. Depth you can give through all. Okay, that completes the model. Right, very easy, nothing fancy going on over here. So yeah, this is how you can create 3D model using simple tools like extrude, rib, mirror, and some round options inside Creo Parametric. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.